Hey, what's up YouTube? Raleigh back with an interesting video. Ryzen seems to be doing everything right in the recent years. All that matters is that it can parlay its victories in the recent competition, that is with Intel and other companies. All I'm talking about is the Ryzen 9 APUs. Now I've got some leaks and renders of the APUs that is from a very popular hardware leaker Komacho on Twitter. Let's get straight in the video and see what it is. As TechRadar highlights, a list of processors recently published by the hardware leaker highlights 4 Ryzen 9 parts, 2 45 units and 2 15-watt Pro models sporting a B12 designation. This, according to the leaker, indicates the presence of 12 graphical compute units. Ryzen 9, as per the publication points, benefits from the heightened clock speeds and increased efficiency. That is all afforded by their 7nm design. This, in turn, would presumably benefit graphics compute units as well. It would be an interesting alternative to discrete graphics solutions and would be, of course, further press Intel in the portable laptop space. AMD has had a phenomenal 2019, recently reporting its highest quarterly revenue since 2015. The company still has a lot of ground to make up, but has steering the ship in the right direction, with increased market share ever since Q2 2017. As always, it's worth that the post from Komachi neither confirms nor denies anything, as nothing is truly official until official words come from the horse's mouth. Let's see what exactly Ryzen has cooked for the CES 2020, that is hardly 2 months away from today, November 15. Certainly this is the right time for hardware announcements. So that was pretty much everything about the AMD Ryzen 9 APUs. I hope you guys liked the video. If yes, please hit that subscribe button, it really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care guys.